no time to cook or prep, but still want to lose weight. Today I'll show you 3 zero-cook workday meals that are fast, healthy, and perfect for busy professionals. The workday is demanding, and it's easy to grab unhealthy takeout or skip meals, sabotaging your goals. But what if you could have a delicious, slimming meal ready in under 5 minutes? No stove required. These meals are strategically designed for your health journey, packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you full and focused. We're making healthy eating efficient, simple, and results-driven. Forget meal planning stress and unhealthy choices. Let's reclaim your lunch break and make it a tool for weight loss. Ready to transform your workday lunches? Let's get started. Our first meal is the Mediterranean Tuna Power Bowl, a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. Start with a sturdy bowl to make your meal feel special. Add canned tuna packed in water, drained and flaked for lean protein that keeps you full. Toss in half a cup of rinsed chickpeas for extra fiber and plant-based protein. Lightly mash some chickpeas for a creamier texture. Add chopped cherry tomatoes and diced cucumber for freshness, crunch, and color. These veggies boost vitamins, minerals, and hydration with minimal calories. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil for healthy fats, and squeeze fresh lemon juice for brightness and vitamin C. Finish with cracked black pepper. Add dried oregano or parsley if you like. Gently toss everything together. In minutes, you've built a balanced, nutrient-dense meal. Protein from tuna, fiber from chickpeas, fresh veggies, and healthy fats. This bowl keeps you energized and satisfied, fighting off afternoon hunger and energy crashes. It's easy to eat at your desk and feels like a gourmet cafe lunch. You made it in minutes with no cooking and maximum health benefits. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. This bowl is proof you can have convenience and nutrition. Make it your go-to for busy days. You'll stay full, focused, and on track with your weight loss goals. No more post-lunch slumps or snack cravings. Just real, satisfying food that works for you. Try it once, and your workday lunches will never be the same. Simple, delicious, and powerful. That's the Mediterranean Tuna Power Bowl. Give it a try and see the difference. Next up, the Egg and Cottage Cheese Protein Box, your secret weapon for a high-protein, low-calorie lunch. Start with 2 hard-boiled eggs, sliced or quartered. Eggs are packed with protein and nutrients, perfect for meal prep. Add half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese for slow-digesting casein protein that keeps you full. Layer in a handful of fresh baby spinach for vitamins and minerals, almost no calories. Add cherry tomatoes for color, sweetness, and a burst of freshness. Sprinkle a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds for crunch, healthy fats, and extra nutrition. Assemble everything in a compartmentalized container for a bento-style lunch. Keep ingredients separate until you're ready to eat, or mix them together for a quick salad. A little salt and pepper is all the seasoning you need. This box is vibrant, textured, and deeply satisfying. No bland diet food here. High protein preserves muscle and keeps you full, while the variety of textures makes every bite enjoyable. It's a practical 5-minute solution for busy professionals. No cooking, no fuss, just grab, assemble, and go. You'll power through your afternoon with steady energy and zero cravings. Boil eggs in advance for a week of easy lunches. This is how you make healthy eating sustainable and stress-free. The Egg and Cottage Cheese Protein Box, simple, filling, and perfect for your weight loss journey. Try it and feel the difference in your energy and focus. Healthy, fast, and delicious. Every day. Our final zero-cook meal is the Avocado Chicken Crunch Wrap, creamy, crunchy, and secretly healthy. Mash half a ripe avocado with lemon or lime juice for a fresh, creamy spread. Use a large whole grain wrap for extra fiber and nutrients. Spread the avocado mash in the center of the wrap. Add pre-cooked shredded chicken, rotisserie or meal prep, for lean protein. Top with crisp romaine or iceberg lettuce for crunch and freshness. Drizzle with a tablespoon of thin, plain Greek yogurt for a tangy, protein-rich finish. Roll up the wrap tightly, folding in the sides to keep everything inside. Slice in half to reveal the colorful, layered filling. This wrap is filling, satisfying, and rivals any takeout sandwich without the extra calories or unhealthy fats. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber keeps you full and energized. It's easy to make, easy to eat, and perfect for a busy lunch break. Smart swaps like avocado and Greek yogurt make this meal both delicious and weight loss friendly. No more boring salads. This is real food you'll look forward to. Enjoy a substantial, crave-worthy lunch that supports your goals. Healthy eating can be practical, enjoyable, and sustainable. The avocado chicken crunch wrap proves it. Make it your new go-to for a quick, nourishing meal. You'll stay full, focused, and satisfied all afternoon. Try it and see how easy healthy eating can be. Delicious, filling, and guilt-free. There you have it. 3 fast, zero-cook meals to power your workday and support your weight loss. From the Mediterranean tuna power bowl to the egg and cottage cheese protein box and the avocado chicken crunch wrap, you're set for success. Healthy eating doesn't require hours in the kitchen, just smart, simple choices. Consistency is key, and these meals make it easy. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and let me know which meal you'll try first. Stay consistent, stay healthy, stay Slimsync. I see.